As hypercars continue to push boundaries in performance, the need for advanced repair techniques has never been more crucial. Enter artificial intelligence, a game-changer for diagnosing and repairing these high-tech machines. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from vehicle sensors faster than any mechanic, predicting potential breakdowns before they happen. Imagine AI-powered avatars guiding you through troubleshooting steps, making car maintenance more accessible and intuitive than ever. This episode explores these innovative technologies and invites viewers to share their thoughts. How do you envision AI changing your car care experience?